Hey, it's good to see you again. I'm glad you made it. That was another rough stretch of road, wasn't it? Yeah. Well, listen to me. Don't believe the lie. That road you just traveled is not going to be your whole life. That was just a chapter, not your whole story. See, there's a new chapter on the road ahead, and it says that you can still have a happy ending. So, rest, but don't you quit. You get up and you walk that next chapter into your life. I think God's going to surprise you this time. I'll see you at the next rest stop.